guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're gonna revisit a technique that we used a few months ago, which is dirty pouring, but in 3D. I think it's gonna be very interesting because we did it before on some hard object, but now we're gonna do it on a canvas. I think it's gonna be something that we're gonna explore even a little bit more with different product and different items. I think it's going to be interesting, and I think the fact that we're going to do it as a dirty pouring is going to be even more interesting. So we'll see what happens. So let's go and try it. Well guys, I hope you're gonna agree with me that the result is great. I think it's a nice abstract. I think it's a nice way to go about it. Of course, there's 1,000 ways to go and try something different, but with the same technique, meaning a 3D. The main thing I think that you can change is the colors. So, like you saw, I did try to use a bit of earth color and sky to mix it with mostly fire, but I think we have a nice result. I think it's interesting because you can look at it and just not for the paint by itself, but you can look at it from every angle and there's something different. So I think it's kind of interesting. I think it's something that we can explore more, but with our other thing, I was thinking about some kind of a mask that we can glue directly on the canvas after we do a pouring or a flip cup or something like that. I think that would be quite nice and very interesting. So anyway, it's something that it's not usual, so that's the main reason why it's interesting, is to try something else, and I think that this time we did, and it was a success. Well, to each his own. It's subjective, but I think it is. I hope you're going to try it, because like you saw, it's not something that you have to work a lot at it. You have to know where you're going with it. Since I was using block, that was the longest time, was to use the block and to glue them. But after that, it was nothing. It was really nice, and I could have do some touch up here and there, like you saw I did, but you have to stop somewhere. So I decided to stop before going overboard. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it, like I said, and please come back, and like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys.